Hi student, today I have a program. Write a program to input and calculate the sum of all elements in 2D array. Just a previous video, I have discussed about sum of all element of 1D array. So in this program, I have take a 2D array and find the sum of all elements. Let's start the program. First of all, we start Blue. Now I am taking a class. Name of the class is sum of 2D. 2D. Sum of 2D. I am given name sum 2D. I am given here. Now here I will take. I will delete all the code and now start from. So I will write import keyword java dot util dot scanner because I am here in this program. I will use scanner class. So I am written here java dot util class scanner to import this class. Now I am taking class. Name of the class is sum 2D. 2D. You can give any name for this program. I am given sum 2D. In this program, I have to take a main method. Right main. Now I am making here block of main method. In this section, I will take first of all I will take input in the 2D array and then add the element in the variable in a variable and then display. Right now I am starting to code this. To take input, first of all I have to declare the size of array. So declaring the size of array, first I need the size. So it will give from user. It will I receive from the user. So I here mention input from keyboard. So I am writing here. I am making a object of scanner class. So scanner name of the object is fc. I am declaring a object of scanner class. New scanner in the bracket what system.in. This is the code for creating object of scanner class. So I have created the object of scanner class in the line and whose name is sd. Then I have to take two rows and column of the 2D array. Now I will give message to user enter the number of the row. System dot out dot println enter the number of row in array. Number of enter the number of user will give the number of rows that I will store in a variable m. To take input from the keyboard, we use the scanner class object and use this method next int method. This is the way we can use take input from keyboard This is method. Next int is the method belonging from the scanner class. So here I am taken object of scanner class. Now I am taking another variable n. Before that, I have display next time this message for column. So I copy. I'm copying this again. Not instead of typing, I doing smart work here. Here I can change number of columns. Now it will be stored in the n variable. So here first I am taken here size of row and number of row and number of columns. So here is we can declare array of size m cross n. Now I am declaring two dimension array. So first of all I will write data type. Name of the array is a. It is double dimension array, so I will write two times square bracket. This indicates this a is double dimension. Now I will write here new keyword, and after that I will write data type int. Now I will also use the square bracket. In the square bracket I will write number of row. First square bracket I will write number of row. That means m is here, number of row is m, and other square, and the next square bracket I will write this number of columns, that is n. This is the way to declare the variable double dimension array. First I will write name of the array, data type, after that name, then double square bracket equals new int m and n in the square bracket. So here a two-dimension array is created which have m rows and n columns. Now in this array, double dimension array, we have to take the input of all elements of this array, which is come from the user. So I am writing here for, we know that to take input in double dimension array, I always use double double nested for loop. So I will write int I, which is start from 0, I is less than n, and I plus plus I plus plus. Here I started from 0 and I goes to less than n, because if I talk about indexes number of rows, it will be last index will be n minus 1. So here I am using less than, not equal to, less than equal to. I am written only less than. I plus plus means it will go next index after one iteration. Now in the for block, I will use another for loop which is on the j variable. J is also start from 0 and j is less than m and j plus plus. J plus plus small j plus plus. Now in the j loop, I will write it will be also it and j loop responsible for columns. There are, sorry, here I will write, here I will write m and here I will write n, because I loop responsible for the number of rows. Here number of rows is m, so I will 0 to less than n, and number of columns is n, so I will go 0 to less than n. Now to take input on the each indexes for this array, I will use a of I j assign sc dot next int. Now it will take for one value from the keyboard and assign the particular value of ij index. So it will goes from 0 to m and 0 to n. Then the all value will filled with the corresponding elements which is given by the user. Uh, just a second. Okay, here in, here is input part completed. Now I am calculating the sorry after the outer loop I will write here for block. Now I want to calculate the sum of all variables. Just a minute. Just a minute. And given extra space is here, so I'm trying to remove it. Now, now I am writing. I want to calculate the each value in the array, sum of each value of in the array. So to do that, I have to take a variable int sum, which is equal in the starting will be 0, or you can say empty, and I will use for loop for getting access of each element. This double for loop as I take an input. So in the same way, I have to use to access each element. Int I assigns 0, I is less than m and I plus plus. In the for block, I am taking another for loop which is start from which is on the j. Int j, it will also start from 0 and it goes to less than n and j plus plus. In the for loop, I will write a of sum assign sum sum assign sum plus a of ij. Here is I and here is j. That means each corresponding value of ij, one element come and add into the sum variable. One by one, all elements when I access it will be added in the sum. After both loop inner and outer completed, it will add the all elements in the sum variable. Now I will display the sum. To display the sum, I will display message system dot out dot println sum of each element of array is sum. Now this program is completed. I am now compiling this. Here is syntax error. What is error not written string. Now compiling this. It is compiled successfully. Now trying to run that. Now creating a object scanner class, and this is enter the number of row. I want to take here number of row 3 and enter the number of column. It will also I take 3. Now here I want to display a message, but I am not displays. I will make correct them. So I am inputting the numbers here of matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, 9. Oh, then sum is 45. Program is working, but here is a I have to also display a message. They enter the value of each element in the array. So I am doing correct here. Before the taking input, I have to write here system.out dot println enter the elements the elements of array. So when it goes to user will be try to input the value. Now it will be work properly. Now again I am testing this. Now where is output window is there? Writing here number of row 4 and number of column 2. Now taking input 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So sum will be 36. 1, 2, 3. If you add, it will be also 36. Now, I hope you understood this program. Thank you.